Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will explore the DTC P2651, which indicates a malfunction known as rocker arm oil pressure stuck off in the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is associated with a failure in the rocker arm oil pressure sensor's ability to maintain the required oil pressure, especially when the rocker arm oil control solenoid is activated. When the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that the sensor's output remains consistently low under these conditions, it registers this abnormality and stores the DTC. This malfunction can significantly impact engine performance, leading to potential issues such as reduced power or efficiency. Understanding this code is crucial for accurate troubleshooting and repair, ensuring the vehicle runs optimally. The DTC P2651 primarily involves the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, which plays a critical role in managing oil flow to facilitate optimal engine performance. This sensor provides feedback on the oil pressure levels to the PCM, which in turn regulates the operation of the rocker arm oil control solenoid. The sensor is strategically located near the rocker arm assembly, making it essential for the variable valve timing system to function correctly. If the sensor output remains unusually low when the oil control solenoid is supposed to be active, the PCM interprets this as a malfunction, leading to the code being stored and potentially hindering the engine's operations. Recognizing the function and position of this component is key in tackling the error effectively. Several factors might contribute to the occurrence of DTC P2651. One significant cause is the failure of the rocker arm oil pressure sensor itself, which may lead to inaccurate readings. Additionally, debris or clogs in the VTEC system oil passage can obstruct proper oil flow, causing the pressure to drop unexpectedly. Another possible culprit is a malfunctioning rocker arm oil control valve, which may not be operating as intended, thus affecting oil distribution throughout the engine's components. Each of these causes directly impacts the VTEC system, which is crucial for achieving high efficiency and performance in the Honda Civic. Identifying these issues is essential for effective resolution. The symptoms associated with DTC P2651 can manifest as various performance issues in the Honda Civic. Drivers may notice a marked reduction in engine performance, particularly during acceleration or when the engine is under load. This decrease can be accompanied by increased oil consumption, as insufficient oil pressure may lead to inadequate lubrication of engine components. Additionally, the check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential problem that requires further inspection. These symptoms should prompt immediate attention, as they can lead to more severe engine damage if left unaddressed. Being aware of these indicators can lead to quicker diagnosis and repairs. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P2651 involves starting the engine and holding the speed at 3,000 RPM without any load applied, such as in neutral for manual transmissions or park for continuously variable transmissions, CVTs. This operation should continue until the radiator fan engages, and then the engine should be allowed to idle. This procedure is crucial as it creates a condition where the rocker arm oil control solenoid can be evaluated effectively. By maintaining a specific RPM, we can check for changes in oil pressure that may impact the sensor's readings. Using the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System tool, will assist with the next steps after completing this check. In this second troubleshooting step, it is vital to inspect the engine oil level to ensure that it meets the specifications outlined by Honda. Insufficient oil can lead to problems in pressure readings. Following this, the rocker arm oil pressure sensor itself should undergo inspection, focusing on verifying if it connects properly and operates as expected. Additionally, the VTEC system oil passage must be checked for any debris or clogs that might sabotage the flow of oil, as this can significantly affect system performance. Ensuring these elements are functioning correctly sets the stage for a more comprehensive evaluation of the remaining components involved. The third step in troubleshooting DTC P2651 requires the inspection of the rocker arm oil control valve. This component is crucial for regulating the oil flow to the engine's rocker arms and plays an instrumental role in the variable valve timing system. If previous inspections did not reveal any issues, it is likely that the rocker arm oil control valve is the source of the problem. Testing its operation will dictate whether it is functioning within specifications or if it needs replacement. Observing these checklists not only targets the immediate problem, but also ensures the entire VTEC system remains functional, thereby maintaining overall engine efficiency after completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P2651. It is essential to verify that all issues have been resolved. Start by using the Honda Diagnostics system to clear the DTC codes to reset the system. Following this, a road test is recommended to observe how the vehicle behaves under normal driving conditions, paying particular attention to performance metrics like acceleration and engine responsiveness. It is crucial to ensure that no warning lights illuminate during or after the test. Lastly, confirming that the rocker arm oil control system operates within specified ranges validates the success of the troubleshooting and repair efforts. This systematic approach ensures reliability and peace of mind. To prevent issues like DTC P2651 from reoccurring, routine preventive maintenance is imperative. Regular oil changes are crucial, as fresh motor oil not only keeps the engine clean, but also ensures optimal lubrication and pressure levels. Additionally, consistently monitoring oil levels will help detect leaks or consumption issues early, allowing for proactive measures before problems escalate. Furthermore, regular inspections of the VTEC system and its components can preemptively identify clogs or wear that could disrupt oil flow. Creating and adhering to a maintenance schedule increases the likelihood of the vehicle operating efficiently and effectively over time. Taking these preventive steps minimizes the risk of breakdowns and costly repairs. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2651 requires a thorough understanding of the roles that the rocker arm oil pressure sensor, rocker arm oil control valve, and VTEC system play in maintaining engine efficiency. Systematic troubleshooting allows for accurate diagnosis and effective repairs, restoring functionality to the vehicle. After repair, verification processes ensure that problems are completely resolved, minimizing the risk of future occurrences. Implementing scheduled preventive maintenance is not only wise, but essential, as it promotes long-term health for the vehicle and helps avoid serious mechanical failures. Understanding these key points will empower technicians and vehicle owners alike, fostering an informed approach to Honda Civic care. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.